So first things first. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be all about creating a vision board for 2021. So let's get into it. So first things first, what is a vision board? So I think a lot of people use vision boards to kind of manifest their future and their goals. I do not believe in manifestation, so I do not go about my vision board as a means of things that I'm going to manifest for myself. My vision board is purely so I have a place where I can see my goals that I have for myself, things that I want to accomplish, things that I want to do, kind of like a visual bucket list, goals, different things like that I can see, so that way I know what I'm working towards for that year. That way when days are hard and it feels like you're not accomplishing anything, you can look back at your vision board and see what exactly you are working towards. So that's my idea for my vision board and why I am creating one today. The first thing I would suggest is to actually get a notebook and write down some goals that you have for yourself, some different things you want to accomplish in the next year. It could be goals for your business, goals for your personal life, different things like that, places you want to travel, books you want to read, just a list of different things that you want to get done in 2021. So that would be the first place you want to start. Now, there's two ways you can go about creating your vision board. You can make a physical vision board or you can make a digital one. I chose to make a digital vision board because I'm constantly on my computer working on that, so I can create it to be my screensaver and see it all the time. Another way to go about it is by printing out pictures and actually putting it on a board, framing it up so that way it's somewhere that you can see it every single day. But I want to show you guys how I created my vision board on Photoshop, and it was super easy. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so my original plan was to actually take my board that I have and make a physical one. But then, so I made my dimensions for my document the size of that board. Then, once that was created, I searched through Google, Pixabay, Unsplash, and just looked up different images that I can use on my board and found images that kind of matched my aesthetic, kind of spoke to me, and also were related to my goals for my vision board. So yeah, so I just like to open everything up on Photoshop first and kind of crop any images that need to be cropped, go through them, open them up, see what needs to be done, and then drag them onto my actual file that is going to be my vision board. So now I'm just kind of layering the different images that I have onto my board, and I'm just throwing them on there really quick for right now just to kind of see everything, place them, and then I'm actually going to type out 2021 with a certain font and type in vision board, so you know, I know this is my 2021 vision board. So I'm just going to play around with the font, the sizes, and just see what I like. Then I also wanted to add what my word of the year is going to be, and my word of the year is going to be focus. I think what 2020 has shown me a lot is that I need to do a better job at focusing. Focusing on my finances, focusing on my relationships, focusing on God more, focusing just on things that I want to do and not letting the fear or different distractions keep me away from those things. So that is the plan. As I'm going through this, I kind of want to go through what some of my goals are for 2021. I think the most important part about creating your vision board and setting your goals is to make them realistic and attainable. I think sometimes we create goals and have expectations of ourselves that are unreachable. Not unreachable forever, but unreachable for where we are in life right now. So I just try to keep all my goals realistic. So one of my goals is to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I feel like that's an attainable goal for me. I'm at around 400 and something subscribers, so I feel like giving myself the entire year of 2021 to reach 1,000 is not unattainable. I think that's actually a pretty realistic goal I can set for myself if I'm consistent, if I'm focused. Another goal I have, which also includes another form of social media, is Instagram. I would like to hit 1,000 followers on my Instagram accounts. So that kind of goes hand in hand with my YouTube, and it's all about being consistent. I barely post, I don't do much of it, but I feel like those are an easy goal that I can realistically reach if I am consistent on them. I put pictures of my family up here just because I do want to make sure that I'm spending time with my family and just keeping them as a priority in my life too. I would also like to get monetized on YouTube. That goes hand in hand with getting 1,000 subscribers. Right now I do work from home, which I'm extremely grateful for, but it would be really nice to work for myself and just have that creative outlet that I know I need. Another thing that I would love to do in 2021 is get my website up, get it launched, and start posting on that a couple of times a month, maybe do a blog and get products out. I have a lot of ideas for different printables and downloadables, ebooks, different things like that, but I've never truly put in the time to do them, and that's something I would really like to do. I'd really just like to focus more on my relationship with God and my walk with Him, and if anything, 2020 has taught me that that is one of the most important things that I need to focus on this year. And those are just some of my goals that I figured I'd share with you guys. Maybe give you guys some ideas. Your vision board is really just about representing you, what you want in your future, and just kind of a reminder of the things that you are focused on and that you're striving towards. I think a lot of times we can get discouraged when we're not seeing progress, but we don't realize how much progress we're actually making. So I think a vision board is just a great way to see it, and also to remind ourselves when we're being lazy and inconsistent in what we want to do. Seeing the vision board will just remind us what we need to do, why we're doing it, and what we want for our future. Because in reality, if we're not putting in the hard work, nothing's gonna happen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment down below if you are planning on creating a vision board, and if so, what are you planning on putting on it? What are some goals that you don't mind sharing with everyone down below? So yeah, definitely would love to hear from you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.